Welcome to Info to How, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can fix the error code DEV340 that occurs on Hulu, and I'm going to try to mention all the ways that you can fix this error, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to know all of the methods that you can apply to fix this error code. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, for those of you who don't know what this error is, this error basically occurs when there's a miscommunication between you and the server. So make sure to check whether or not Hulu servers are down, and for that you will have to come over here onto this website called downdetector.com. Over here you can go ahead and search for any website and it'll show you whether or not that website is down or not. And over here, as you can see, Hulu outage reported in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, currently it's not down. It was down over here, but that was like June 26th. And currently, as you can see right here, most reported problems are right here. There are 43% problems with the website, 35 with the video streaming, and 22 with the logins, but the website is active, so it's not that issue. But if it shows that the website is down, then make sure to go ahead and check your internet connection, which is option number 2. And over here, as you can see right now, I am connected with the internet. It's working fine. But if it's not working fine, it might show errors to something like this. Like here, as you can see, it is still connected, but that's because I'm using a VPN. Let me try to disconnect it. And here we go. So as you can see, currently I'm not connected to any network and it's not going to work. So make sure you check whether or not your internet is working. So currently, as you can see, I'm not connected. There we go. We are back online. So those were the two main things that you can do. Another thing that might occur is whether or not your internet connection is working properly. So your internet speeds might dip. So for that, what you can do is you can just simply come over here onto this website called speedtest.net, and you can run it and check whether or not your internet is working fine. You can find the speeds or not. Sometimes, the internet speeds drop down because of rain and other technical difficulties. And what that might do is it might give you server errors as well, but make sure you check it out. You can just simply click on go and it'll run, and you can go ahead and check it out. Now, number 4 is whether or not your application is corrupted. So if you're using an application, right, the Hulu application, then it might be possible that your application is corrupted. So for that, what you can do is you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall it. So to uninstall, just simply click on the search bar right here and search for add or remove. Here it'll pop up right here. Just simply click on it and open it up. Over here, as you can see, apps and features, and over here you will see all of the applications, and over here you can just simply scroll down and find the Hulu application, or you can search for it as well. It depends on you. You will find it right here. Just simply click on the application and click on uninstall. This will uninstall the application, and then you can go ahead and reinstall the application and it might fix the problem. But before uninstalling, you can also do this simple thing as well. You can just simply come over here and reset the application as well. This will delete all the app's data. This will delete the app's cache and other files that it had stored to make it run smoothly and work properly. But sometimes those caches and those files can be corrupted. Therefore, it's better to just simply go ahead and reset it before attempting to uninstall and reinstall it. So reset it, and if that doesn't work, then just simply go ahead and uninstall the application, and that should fix your error code. Reason number 5, it could be that more devices are connected, right? There is a limit to devices that can be connected at the exact same time on Hulu. So if you come over here and search for it, you will find that you'll only be able to stream premium content from a total number of 5 screens, 3 of which can be on out of home mobile devices at one time. If you exceed this limit, you will run into too many streams errors message. So make sure that not a lot of devices are connected at the exact same time. Although another error can be occurred because streaming services, they don't like password sharing. That's a thing streaming services don't like, because as they affect their revenues. So if they detect that there is a account that has way too many devices, they can probably give you some difficulties accessing them. So make sure not a lot of screens are connected and you should be fine. But generally speaking, that is a very, very low possibility. But all these things that I just showed you are some of the reasons why you might get this error code PDEV340. So make sure you check all of these boxes, and if it still occurs, so make sure you contact the support team and they will help you out. But generally speaking, checking your internet connection and installing and reinstalling the application is much better. And you can even do this on your mobile phones as well, so you don't have to worry about that. You can also go into the apps and features and reset the application, deleting the data, resetting the application. It works. These were all the reasons why you might be getting the Hulu error code PDEV340. Now, having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and useful, so make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. And until then, take care and goodbye.